Can you call something a praline if there's no pecan? Oh well, I'm going for it anyway. I'm making candy today. It's got dried papaya, pumpkin seeds, and melegueta peppercorns in it. I picked these ingredients because I thought they'd taste nice together. Tropical sweetness from the papaya, citrus and herbs from the pepper, and crunch from the seeds. A mix of flavors and textures. But these ingredients to me represent the diaspora of African-derived people's food. You don't get more American than the pumpkin. Melegueta pepper is an important spice in a lot of West African cooking, and papaya is now found all over the tropics, as are black people. And all that is wrapped in a praline. You can't get more diasporic than that. To make the praline, add sugar, butter, brown sugar, and milk to a pot. Heat it over medium heat to 200 degrees. You can use a candy thermometer to verify the temp. Now add half of the mix-ins. By the way, the papaya leather was dried in a food dehydrator at 125 degrees for 6 hours. But you can also dry them in the sun covered with a cloth or in the oven on the lowest setting for 12 hours. After the liquid candy gets to 240 degrees, take it off the heat and pour it onto a pan to let it cool. I'm going to add the rest of my mix-ins now. After it cools enough to handle it, shape it however you like. I'm making cubes using a silicone ice tray. That was easy, wasn't it? And look how pretty that looks, with a bit of clotted cream on top and a piece of papaya leather, a dainty diasporic dessert if there ever was one. By the way, the clotted cream recipe is on the blog too. The final wines for today are two Brachetto from the Piemonte region of Italy, about 3 hours southeast of the Rhone Valley, where our last wines came from. They're sweet and sparkling wines, made from the Brachetto grape. They're almost a fluorescent pink in color. And boy, do they give you strawberry and just a hint of citrusy acid. They're sweet enough to stand up to the candy, which is perfect, but they're light-bodied wines, so not too syrupy. Let's see if the eaters are feeling the Brachetto.
Ooh, this one's very sweet, the Stella. I think I like Orsola with this dessert.
Okay. I think those were some fun wines to end our rosé journey this month.